In this video, I am going to show you how to recreate any YouTube thumbnail using Pikzels AI in 1 minute. Let's get started. This feature is designed to copy the visual style of existing thumbnails using AI. Now, go to YouTube, find any thumbnail you want to use as inspiration, then either copy the video link or save the thumbnail image to your computer. Go back to Pikzels, paste the link or upload the image, and then click Generate. Within seconds, Pikzels will build a recreated version that looks very similar to the original. Once the recreated thumbnail appears, you can make it unique by using Edit. Select any area with the rectangle or brush tool. Type what you want to add or replace, and generate again. You can change characters, add objects, adjust text, or improve the background. If you want to put yourself into the thumbnail, use Face Swap. Select the face, choose your persona, and apply it. After a few quick edits, your recreated thumbnail is ready to download and use. And that's how you recreate any YouTube thumbnail in just 1 minute using Pikzels AI. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.